minimum bro wa own need scout the Beko hospital the NDC for say no ye beguno. NDC ni say no obeguno me pacho wa ba no share page no. No ba no ma share yen ton. Everything about NDC is one national health insurance scheme now one famba. Ye de baswa who okay out of parliament. Afi ade na be ye ama na ebua ordinary Ghanaian. Ghana ni asebe ye kase wonko first camera ontumi nko famba no de abesa no ho yare. Me some of ye na momo ye me you make it look as a Ghana na Kufu Addo ba ye nkwa na Ghana abawi ase. But Ghana has been there. Ghana has been there to the point where ukura wo card kura wo de kono kura no ye nje. Wo de wo card ko hospital na ye nje because me I was in Ghana 2012 when the service providers came and said, say, because they are not being paid, they are not going to accept a national health insurance card. Muwi fee Ghana, muwi fee. Is this something that you guys are telling me you guys don't remember? Or this is something I'm making up? Me, I'm a better here and I'm making it up. Anna. There was a time I would national health insurance card and what the choir yen show yes and yet juma. And the service providers actually came out to do a demonstration. They came to do a demonstration say, I'm buying into your moka. NPP are buying a yes and no. Or no asu who say, then kwala was so a ma was so a yemba yeme wuni ade enti yemfa bibi mra se oniskapwa obet me ayeden akukọ kuko hospital Linda welcome akukọ kuko hospital akọ pay time a obewo abru ni friend prenatal care enunti president Kufuor e the free maternal care eyeden e the national health insurance na o de buy no we so anyame na make chance na welcome eye de eda ho ye papa Kufuor o ye NPP government ehunu say ye ka se ka hyenkare a emma bebre na bekọ awo so ekowu a sebe omunyo ba se ye ka se ka hyenkare a enyafo bebre na ombekọ hospital ekowu because wenye ska amfa card na mu wi free na Ghana for there has been a time where ukura wo card ukura wo so wo call hospital na yes ye nhwe wo mu wi free for real like maintain our system now say like are you people telling me say you don't remember the time when national health insurance card now with the call hospital a engine no monkai and na onkai ban so not so as ade ni si ye ebrochire omo health insurance na ade ebobo me Canada me wo ohip a eboa me na obi president bi enya sa ebrochire adwene no e di bi abagana say said ye be ya yemma Eco hospital ya be show without paying crime sikanie na we no money for hand back for ground system no said ye be ye free o na ehiafo sebe ehiafo so enya bibi every aban no ho no ye national health insurance scheme and ye national health insurance scheme ye national health insurance scheme we ya aban fofraba ye de assure mo nsa mo de a mo be ya ne say mo manage national health insurance scheme no na enye adwuma not only did they collapse obia pra dendendin I say ye ne surgery immediately ye say oniska odi betuentini ya hwe no wawu cash and carry system oba sebe oba ekwa akoye den ekwa akowo wanya complications adentia time ano onye mu esa nkoko prenatal care ne hwan ni na no sika oni nti wentumi anko hospital na doctor bi ahwe sa akola no ho adane anasa akola no yoki anasa akola no yoki enu ntube hu no oba se okowo aba okowo ya wenya ne ba because wentumi anye sikapo no de akoke we check up na aban bi aba or the national health insurance scheme aba national health insurance scheme no eye card ya utua na omo de manwa oko hospital a ye hwe free oko hospital a ye hwe free then muntie ne yawo the party who walked out of parliament on national health insurance say adenti na yemfa Ghana sika enhwe ohiani apomuden. You see how they are? Jimmy for a cool mongers, wicked people, sano. De to me the gun is my area okay. Me say NDC is the most stupidest wicked party ever. Simple. Ye this kabeshe Ghana ni here ni mo bro wa on need scout the Beko hospital the NDC for say no ye begu no. NDC ni say no ubegu no me pa cho ba no share page no. No ba no ma share ye nton. Catch now as at 2017 1st January. 2017 1st January. Na yenya kranso na Akufo-Addo in as the substantive president no. Na National Health Insurance Scheme care that so 2.1 billion Ghana cedis. Utie 2.1 billion Ghana cedis. Ade na ono amfamba. Na elbu ehiafo mba. Elbu sebi oni bie ayen ni bie no elbu ayen no. Aban bi a onjindi no or the cabeto so menu ntina wo de kwa yenje free maternal care okwa yenhwew mi kan na omo agina campaign trail so aka kire yen say omo ba omo be ye one term etua kura entua bio minuanom one term premium when you pay once you won't pay again. So my question to you, the ordinary Ghanaian watching me and insulting me probably in your head and they say, the government who promised you, say, you will pay one time, didn't deliver. Uja kato swa a collapse ye. Any government here, or none de buy a share swa many see baby, ubi beguno, none sa government in a part two. Asanya be revival national health insurance scheme. Amende. We soon obi nka nkyere me say yetro because me nkrofo use card na the hospital me like me my elder people me nkrofo manyini omo call hospital omo ka kire wo na sa ubisa na sabi ekwi adankwa kra say eye adwuma ekwi adankwa wono kra say card na de ye no kra eye adwuma say no the card no kwa ye den ye je ye hwew into a wonim hospital bi a wo the card no kwa ye nje no fama ye na ye nkobo sa hospital na chi. Because the minimum say no after you clear 2.1 billion no national health insurance cost Teresa welcome obi amfamba obegu no obi ode baaye ebesiesie no na afedi ogu no mo say onumbo ye better choice onumbo ye better person to handle our health na Ghana ni aginedi how like you want Ghana to develop, but you won't give Ghana the best tools to work with? Is that what we are doing to ourselves, Ghanaians? Obia Kachira say 110 premium. They were not able to do it, Imanolosu. Like, Mubetia Bakupemun Tiebio, went me to Ghana for yen in Ayenu, to your national health insurance, we NDC near and they are making one main agent, but to be a Ghana, you know, say yes, national health insurance because per 2017.